Well, I'm back in the office, as you can see. I still got to unpack. I'll just do it later. And that idea got me thinking about I'll do it later with email. Many people that I work with, many clients I work with, what they do with their email is that they use it like a filing system or a to-do list, as it were, where they will unread something rather than actually deal with it there and then. And that dealing with it will lift so much weight off of your shoulders rather than having a ton of emails in your inbox. And some of them, or many of them, I've seen someone with 56 unread emails. And I'm like, how is this possible? Where they unread that email so they can deal with it later. But when they go into their email, they're inundated with all this stuff, all these emails that they have to deal with. And more often than not, they'll just do it later, like I'm doing with with my unpacking. I think unpacking doing later is fine because it's like you want a day off. But with your work and your emails, you kind of want to deal with it there and then. Now, how do we do this? Well, I've shown you in the past how I do it with my task manager things 3. But there are lots of different ways of doing it, lots of different to-do lists and ways of doing it. But the idea is to get it out of your email, because an email coming in is something that you have to take action on. And taking action should be in your to-do list or in your calendar if it's something that you need lots of time, you need to block off time. So unreading it doesn't help. It actually makes things worse. You have to deal with it. You have to delegate it. You have to set it up in your task manager. And I've always said your task manager should be your unpaid assistant. So your assistant basically tells you that you have to do something. You have to reply to that email. You have to do that report or whatever. So don't unread an email. Read the email and put it into your task manager and just do it later and have a really simple, no frills, nothing in your email inbox, and you'll get so much work done. This is basically how I did my work while I was away. I used Daylight, which is a CRM, and I used Things 3 as well for my personal stuff. But I basically put it in the right places, and I've got nothing to do. So I make videos for you. Anyway, have a great day, have a good weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.